Have you ever wondered why some independent artists, despite having great talent, struggle to get their music heard? The road to music stardom is often filled with more twists and turns than a high-speed roller coaster. And for independent artists, the ride can be particularly daunting. The struggle is real, folks. It's not just about creating great music. It's about getting that music out there, into the ears of listeners worldwide. The truth is, there's a veritable sea of music vying for attention. So, how do you make your sound stand out? That's where music promotion comes into play. It's not just an afterthought, it's a critical aspect of building a successful music career. The common struggles independent artists face, like limited resources and the lack of a support system, are real. But they aren't insurmountable. The key to overcoming these struggles lies not in the mainstream methods, but in unique and less common promotional strategies. Social media, a tool that can make or break your music career, but are you using it to its full potential? Social media platforms aren't just digital soapboxes for you to broadcast your latest track. They're vibrant, bustling communities where artists like you can engage, connect, and share in unique and creative ways. It's not just about posting, it's about participating. Let's take Instagram, for instance. Sure, you could upload a snapshot of your album cover or a video of your latest performance. But why not use Instagram stories to take your fans on an intimate, behind-the-scenes tour of your creative process? Or live stream a spontaneous jam session or a Q&A session? These are the moments that help forge a deeper connection between you and your audience, making them feel included in your musical journey. Then there's TikTok, a platform that thrives on creativity and spontaneity. It's not just for dance challenges and funny skits. Musicians are turning to TikTok to showcase their talent in bite-sized, easily shareable content. Why not create a catchy hook or a unique beat and start a trend? Or take your fans on a trip down memory lane by reimagining a classic track. TikTok is a playground for creativity, and it's time you join in on the fun. And let's not forget Facebook. While it might seem like the elder statesman of social media, Facebook's live streaming and group features offer ample opportunities for you to engage with your audience. Host a listening party for your new album, start a fan club, or even collaborate with other artists in your genre. On all these platforms, remember to engage. Respond to comments, join discussions, and show appreciation for your fans. They're not just numbers, they're people who have chosen to support your music. Finally, leverage the unique features each platform offers. Use Instagram's filters to express your aesthetic, TikTok's duet feature to collaborate with other artists, or Facebook's events to organize virtual concerts. Remember, social media is not just a platform for sharing, but also an avenue for creating and connecting. Ever thought about the power of collaboration and networking in music promotion? Well, let's dive right into it. By collaborating with other artists, you don't just create a fusion of creativity, but also tap into their fan base. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. You get to explore different musical styles and gain new listeners at the same time. But what about networking? It's the art of building relationships. And in the music industry, it's as important as the music itself. Attend music events, join online communities, engage with other artists on social media. The goal is to build a community that supports and promotes each other, not just a one-sided promotion. And here's a secret. A lot of opportunities in the music industry come from who you know, not what you know. So if you're waiting for that big break, it might just be a conversation away. Never underestimate the power of a strong network and the magic of a good collaboration. Are music blogs and playlists part of your promotional strategy yet? In the digital era, music blogs and playlists have become potent tools for promoting music. They're like the modern-day radio stations, reaching millions of ears around the globe. More than just platforms for song sharing, they are influential tastemakers shaping the musical tastes of their vast audiences. Music blogs, particularly, are a great way to get your music heard. They offer a platform for artists to showcase their work to a broader audience, often with an accompanying review or interview. Not only does this provide exposure, but it also gives you a chance to tell your story, to create a bond with listeners. But how do you get your music featured on these platforms? Well, the first step is research. Identify blogs and playlists that align with your genre and style. Look for those with a substantial following, but don't neglect the smaller niche blogs either. They often have a dedicated and engaged audience, which can be invaluable. Once you've identified potential platforms, it's time to reach out. Craft a compelling personal pitch. Don't just send a generic message or press kit. Show that you've taken the time to understand their platform and audience. Share your story, your inspirations, and what makes your music unique. Remember, you're not just selling a song, you're selling an experience, a narrative. Patience and persistence are key here. You may not get a response immediately, or even a positive one, but don't get disheartened. Keep refining your approach, keep reaching out, and keep creating. Playlists, on the other hand, are a bit different. They're about the vibe, the mood. If your song fits, it can be added. Again, research is crucial. Find playlists that fit your sound and reach out to the curator. Show them how your song can enhance their playlist. Remember, the music industry is built on relationships. Building a rapport with bloggers and playlist curators can open doors for future opportunities. Getting featured on a popular music blog or playlist might just be the break you need. Let's take a moment to recap the unique strategies we've discussed for promoting your music. We've journeyed through the vast landscape of music promotion, discovering less trodden paths and unearthing hidden gems along the way. We've looked at how to use social media creatively, not just as a billboard for your work, but as a living, breathing extension of your art. It's about engaging with fans, telling your story, and creating a virtual stage where your music can shine in new and unexpected ways. We've also delved into the power of collaborations and networking. It's not just about who you know, but about joining forces with other artists and influencers who share your passion and vision. Collaborations can open up new audiences, inspire fresh ideas, and even lead to surprising musical innovations. And networking? It's about building those genuine connections that can support and elevate your career in the long run. Then, we ventured into the world of music blogs and playlists. These platforms can serve as your launchpad, propelling your music into the ears of eager listeners far and wide. It's about more than just getting your music played, it's about getting it heard, appreciated, and shared. And remember, each blog post, each playlist edition is a testament to your music's reach and impact. But as we wrap up, let's not forget that promoting your music is about more than just strategies and platforms. It's about the music itself, about your passion, your creativity, your unique voice. It's about sharing a piece of yourself with the world and connecting with people through the universal language of music. So, as you embark on this journey of music promotion, keep these ideas in mind. Use them as your compass, guiding you towards new opportunities and inspiring you to push the boundaries of what's possible. Remember, promoting your music is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep creating.